colleges of the Diocese of Balay-Balay. So we have 26 schools and 2 with colleges. So I'm assigned in Balay-Balay, so as Vice President.
I am Father Joan Lamasan, assigned in the farthest area of the diocese, in a mission station in Lanao.
Wow.
Wow.
Musta yung area?
Father John Mark Lipano, assigned under the parish of Carlos.
Father Bumbong Casas, Vice President Pasocom, in charge sa mga IP schools, sa mga natives, schools for natives. In charge pa ako doon sa Bukidnon.
Father Arniel Villamero, na-assign sa Boundary Bukidnon, Davao, Buda. Malamig-lamig.
Father Bob Salim, the most senior
Youngest at heart.
pastor in San Luis Soriano Paris. Yan, Balay-Balay.
Father.
Paris Test sa poblasyon ng Tapan, Bukidnon.
Alright.
Amen.
Amen.
So last but not the least, Bishop Noel P. Pedregosa, Bishop of the Diocese of Balay-Balay. They used to call me Bishop Toto because I am 100% Ilonggo.
Okay.
Kababayan,
Marunong ka
Nabunaw.
magsalita ni Charles?
Yeah, Ilonggo ako.
Yes, Ilongga.
So mission of the bishop. Okay, so we are here because we have a project which is the construction of the retirement home, but we call it wellness center to sound healthy and positively to the elderly. So right now we have at least 8 healing priests, and it's really house, no? Urgent. So that's why last year we started our tour, concert tour. Though the Diocese of Balay-Balay is also raising fund there, but we also need more. No? So that's why the bishop formed this group to raise fund, but at the same time to raise the faith of the people. Not only fundraising, but faith raising as well.
Evangelization.
Evangelization.
So our show is concert on hope and synodality. Evangelization on hope and synodality. The theme of our concert.
Okay. Alright.